Good morning, William, and thank you for inquiring about the Hyundai Kona. As you can see, I've got one right here behind me. First SEL with tech, wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, alloy wheels, LED turn signals, blind spot detection, sunroof. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, this has got a lovely houndstooth interior. It also comes with heated seats, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, voice recognition. But the great thing about the Kona is, apart from being voted North American Car of the Year, you also get a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which are exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. My name's Mark, so give me a call on 205 720 6581. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.